Tesla demonstrated battery swapping back in 2013, but eventually they abandoned the idea since the cost was insane. You see, my European clients are lying on the ground filming a NIO car swapping battery. You're probably wondering the same thing. How did they do it? Keep watching to find out how Chinese EV brand NIO pulled this off. Hi everyone, Sean here. Welcome to Chinese Car Brands Explain Part 3. Today, we're talking about NIO, XPENG, Li Auto. First up, NIO. NIO's real superpower isn't just the cars, it's their ecosystem. NIO cars come with level 2 autopilot and built-in AI assistant Nomi. It alerts you when your battery is low and asks your permission to drive you to the nearest battery swap station. You just need to say yes. It drives itself there automatically, parks into the station by itself. You tap confirm, sit back, and 3 minutes later, you got a fully charged battery swapped in and hit the road again. With your permission, NIO cars can even swap batteries automatically overnight. Take advantage of half-price off-peak electricity. Pretty smart, right? Battery renting, also known as BAAS, cuts nearly 30% off the car price. A 100 kilowatt battery rental is around $155 per month and delivers 580 kilometers range on average. And car owners no longer have to worry about battery degradation. NIO guarantees every battery they swap in your car has 95% to 100% battery health. Best Plan helps NIO hold higher resale value than most rivals. NIO investing heavily to build global battery swap infrastructure no matter the cost. Till today, May 6, 2026, NIO single-handedly built 3,838 battery swap stations, 5,009 charging stations across mainland China, with numbers rising fast every day. The light blue dots on the map are charging stations, and dark blue dots are battery swap stations. In Europe, 61 battery swap stations and 27 charging stations. On average, one new battery swap happens every single second. On February 6, 2026, NIO hit 100 million total swaps. Just 8 years after mass production started in 2018. Their brand lineup is expanding fast. NIO's ES Series SUVs. The ES line is NIO's practical family SUV range. Spacious, safe, and tuned for daily drives and road trips. It delivers premium interiors with a smooth, quiet ride, perfect for families and long journeys. Targeting professionals and growing families wanting luxury space without bulky sizing. On April 9th, NIO launched the ES9, the flagship SUV with Skybridge, a fully active suspension system which ensures a super smooth drive. Built for high-end executive needs, this car is basically a mobile palace. The EC Series, coupe SUVs. EC models are the sporty, stylish alternatives to ES. Same practical space with the sleek coupe roofline and sharper handling for trend-focused buyers who want luxury and head-turning design. ET is NIO's smart sedan lineup, from compact sporty models to ultra-luxury flagships, high-tech comfort, smooth performance, and executive refinement. ET5 and ET5T for young urban drivers, ET7 and ET9 for high-end business users. By the way, if you're interested in industrial travels to these intelligent factories and cutting-edge tech companies, or if you want to buy a Chinese EV, contact me on WhatsApp. Everything can be arranged. My WhatsApp ID is at the end of the video. ONVO. Its Chinese name 乐道 means a happy journey or happy the way it is. Or hot topic. ONVO L90. Large premium SUV. Air suspension, Napa letters, and fast battery swapping. Premium EV experience at mid-range price. ONVO L80. This 5-seat space wizard, launched on April 28th, is your perfect camping base. Bedroom, refrigerator, mobile kitchen, pet space, and cargo truck. All functional equipments here are official ONVO original accessories. It's the ultimate mobile home for global travel. Sharing NIO's massive battery swap network and backed by solid, reliable autopilot, the ONVO L80 is truly an all-in-one lifestyle vehicle. ONVO L60. Mid-size family SUV, a practical, affordable family SUV, packed with reliable NIO tech, spacious cabins, and stress-free daily use for budget-conscious families and young professionals. Firefly, 萤火虫, premium urban compact EV, NIO's entry-level city car, Small, agile, with luxury features, ultra-safe body structure, and customizable styling, popular with young urban drivers. Now, there's something unique. NIO House. They're not ordinary dealerships, they're exclusive car owner clubs. Cafe, co-working space, family lounge, kids playrooms, event venues. It turns car ownership into a premium lifestyle membership. NIO's core focus is ultra-high customer service. Founder of NIO, Li Bin, went all in for the brand. Amazingly, the leader of this multi-billion-dollar car company owns no real estate and lives in a rented apartment with his family. NIO isn't just building cars, they are building a global community, one of the most loyal customer bases in the entire EV industry. Personally, NIO has my respect and best wish. If you are still here, you deserve some bonus insider details. NIO's Chinese name is 未来. It shares the exact pronunciation with the Chinese word 未来, meaning the future. Perfect for a next-gen EV company. There's another twist. The English name NIO, when you say it out loud, sounds almost identical to new in Chinese. It's slang for awesome, super, amazing, badass. So the name stands for the future and it sounds awesome. That's branding on another level. In 2025, NIO sold 326,000 cars. Next up, XPENG, Xiaopeng, the tech powerhouse of the three. The name comes straight from its founder, He Xiaopeng, a successful internet entrepreneur. XPENG's core strength is clear: advanced intelligent driving technology. Their AI Eagle Eye-based second-generation VLA system is one of the best visual autopilot solutions on the market. By the way, the advanced Chinese autopilot system now are using world large model instead of rely on high-definition maps, so their cars can recognize the world and interact with the world like a human driver. That's their wild card competing directly with Tesla FSD. Their product strategy is simple and efficient. Mona Series, XPENG's entry-level smart EV, a compact, agile hatchback built for city commuting. Affordable AI features, easy parking, and smooth voice control for young first-time buyers. P Series, stylish performance sedans loaded with top-tier autonomous tech and a tech-focused cabin. The P7 delivers ultra-long range, and the version with sensor doors does look like a car from Cyberpunk 2077. G Series, XPENG's core SUV lineup. 800 volts ultra-fast charging adds 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. XPENG's new flagship full-size luxury XUV, GX, drives VLA 2.0 models with 3,000 top self-developed touring chips. GX delivers full level 4 safety redundancy, steer-by-wire technology, long pure electric range, and high-end luxury to compete with European premium brands. Spacious, safe, and family-friendly for daily use and road trips. X9 Series, a luxury large MPV with zero-gravity seats, air suspension, and premium interiors, a mobile living space designed for big families and long-distance travel. They don't only export cars, they export smart softwares and mobility technology. XPENG's cutting-edge tech drew a $700 million investment from Volkswagen, forming a strategic and technology alliance. Co-developed models Unix 08 and 09 will hit the market later this year. Like I said, XPENG is a tech powerhouse. XPENG's tech ambition goes far beyond cars. They developed the XPENG Aero HT flying car. They call it Land Aircraft Carrier, now sold across the Middle East. Plus, their humanoid robot, Iron. At the launch event, audience couldn't believe its natural human-like walking. They had to remove the synthetic muscles to show its mechanical skeleton inside. Both male and female versions are in development. Westworld is in the real world now. XPENG is expanding rapidly overseas. In 2025, 429,000 vehicles sold, including 45,000 export units. Li Auto, the most down-to-earth and arguably the most practical of the three. Founder Li Xiang named the brand Li Xiang, which sounds identical to his name and translates to ideal or dream. A simple promise, building the ideal family car. Now, before I go further, EV Power 101 must be arranged. First, pure EV, running only on batteries. Second, PHEV hybrid, with the engine and motor both drive the wheels. The engine can also work as a generator, complex and costly. Third, range extended EV. The engine only acts as a generator to charge the battery. Only electric motors drive the wheels. Simpler than PHEV, more profitable than pure EV. My own Depot SO7 is a range extended model. chosen specifically to beat range anxiety. Li Auto's entire strategy is built around solving the range anxiety. When Li Auto founded, they only focused on range-extended EVs. Daily short trips on pure battery power, long road trips with a fuel power generator, 100% electric driving fuel, zero charging stress on cross-country journeys. L Series, Li Auto's core range-extended family SUVs, multi-seat layout, premium massage seats, large intelligent screens, built-in fridge, and all-scenario comfort, the go-to choice for family road trips and outdoor camping. Mega Series, Li Auto's first pure electric flagship MPV, futuristic design, ultra-fast charging, and top-quiet luxury, built for high-end family and business travel. I Series, Li Auto's pure electric SUV lineup, built on 800-volt ultra-fast charging platform, featuring smart luxury, spacious interiors, and Mind VLA autonomous driving, designed for modern families and urban elites. Li Auto started the trend of heating, ventilating, real leather seats with massage, huge entertaining screens, refrigerator. These comfort features are now like industry standards, copied by almost every Chinese EV SUVs today. That's why Chinese people call the car companies the home appliance makers. I guess that makes sense to an extent. In 2025, Li Auto sold 406,000 vehicles. The brand stayed profitable for years until launching its pure electric Mega line. Heavy investment led to major profit drop in 2025. It's the backlash from the strategy shift. Next episode, we're going even more extreme. We're talking about the badasses of the industry. The off-road and luxury brands that are going head-to-head with Jeep, Toyota, even Hummer. So let me ask you this before you go. Would you buy an EV without a battery and just rent it? Drop your comment below. I'll read every one of them. Hit like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'm Sean. This is China Inside. I'll see you in the next episode. 666